Welcome everybody! Today's lesson will be about how can we test the positive ions, which are also called cations. If you are provided a non-solution and you were asked to identify what the ions, or let's say what are the cations, present your solution, what to do in this case. First of all, you have to put in your mind, I can test the cations by two bases. The base number one is sodium hydroxide, base number two is ammonia solution. It's not necessary to have the same observation when you use sodium and ammonia for the same cation. Sometimes they differ. So let's jump into the lesson. If we have a solution that contains aluminum ions, Al positive free, how can we test it? We use few drops of sodium hydroxide. We notice the formation of white precipitate. But if we add excess sodium hydroxide, we notice the solution turns from precipitate into clear solution. The behavior of aluminum ions when adding ammonia is formation of white precipitate. And if we add excess of ammonia, white precipitate remains and it's insoluble in excess. To test barium ions, we add drops of sodium hydroxide. The observation will be faint white precipitate. The observation if we add ammonia in a solution that contains barium ions is clear solution. No precipitate will form. This solution contains iron positive 2 ions and it appears like a pale green solution. If we add drops of sodium hydroxide, a pale green precipitate will form and it turns to brown when it's in contact with air and it's insoluble in excess. The same thing if we add ammonia on the solution that contains iron positive 2, it gives green precipitate and it's also insoluble in excess.